Delicious Kitchen. Today we'll make some fried rice, and in our studio today we'll have someone that will be testing the meal. Please stay tuned and watch. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, let's welcome our guest, investor of Mr. Theresa. You know this is Theresa, do you understand?
Yes. This is looking good. I like it. Mindset. One day.
Let's hope you're enjoying it.
This is fantabulous. This is fantabulous. Seriously, I will not say that you people are missing a lot, but actually you are missing a lot.
I'm glad you like it.
You is more than like. I love it. I beg. What be that grammar me they use again? When something overshoot. Who is that grammar? What be that grammar?
Yummy.
Yummy now, yummy. Delicious. This is delicious.
Why my channel is called Malicious. Delicious.
It's called from Malicious. That's nice. Cameraman, you're missing a lot. Guys, I know actually like camera work.
No, for food now, please don't try that.
I thought food. Cameraman. Let me talk. This is nice, seriously. This is nice. So man, like the process now, me man don't know how to cook, and I never mind, you know. Like how it goes down.
That will be on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch.
Okay.
Learn how to make this delicious meal.
You see, this is not one lane. Sorry, I'm not too know how to speak English, so I will miss that. But this is not one lane. Like you go to our YouTube channel and you will see them there. Okay?
Every detail is there. Watch, subscribe.
You get one of my guy, me want to do it, you know.
We also look for occasion too. It's automatic rice we use, so definitely you know, because we don't use those colors.
This is actually nice, seriously. Look at my top. Top this one.
It's better money, better food than money to now. Definitely seeing how delicious it is, you know that enough ingredient was used in making the food.
So now, that our wedding now. Maybe no go overcharge us.
Depends on the number of guests that you invite to and how you want to mix. To cut big, or you want to cut small, or you're using a full cow, or this chicken, this turkey, name it.
Voilà. The salt, pepper, Maggi, enter this one where?
We spice our meat. We use special spice for the meat. Also, one of these days I'll be sharing how I mix my spice for my YouTubers to follow.
Okay.
Subscribers to watch. To make a delicious meal.
Yes, right. I bet me I borrow another ingredient apart from delicious. I don't go school, that is the way I do this. No. I don't go school, I beg.
Mr. Tusabi.
I don't go school, I beg. When I borrow my English, I beg.
Who dey here won't borrow English? Who dey here won't borrow English?
You know, cameraman say I borrow me English.
Okay, they tell you say na English, me I go study for school. Abi?
No,
No be camera, I be political science students. So we na money with the chase.
Exactly.
Wetin we fit tell you politically, na to destroy money o. Me I no go lie for you, na to destroy. No. We don't even. We did not do.
This food is actually corrupted Different sauces. Go ahead, go ahead.
Nice. We have to be hosting more of these on our channel.
I got this.
If you let's get on this show, just on the comment section, you can just show interest. If you're within our location, you can be lucky. We will invite you for the next food testing on our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
You're highly welcome.
I will come back next time.